In this guide, I'm going to break down how long it takes to get your federal tax refund and what can affect the timing using TurboTax. Let's get started. So first, the time it takes to receive your tax refund depends mainly on how you file a return. If you file electronically, the IRS gets your return much faster and usually processes refund within about 24 days after e-filing. That means if everything is correct, you could see your money in bank account in just a few weeks. On the other hand, if you file a paper return by mail, it takes much longer, often 4 weeks or even more because the IRS has to manually process your documents. There are also other factors that can delay your refund, such as errors on a return, missing information, or identity verification issues if someone tries to file fraudulently using your social security number. In some cases, refunds can be delayed if you claim certain credits like on income credit or additional child tax credit because the IRS is required to hold those refunds until at least mid-February for review. Even after approval, it may take your bank an extra day or two to actual post the deposit to your account. Now, when it comes to receiving your refund, the IRS typically sends it through direct deposit, which is fastest option. Your refund can even be split into multiple accounts like checking, savings, or prepaid cards. When using TurboTax, you can easily choose where you want your refund deposited during the filing process. And finally, if you want to track your refund status, you can use the IRS Where's My Refund tool online or simply log into your TurboTax account to check your e-file status anytime. So overall, most refunds comes within a few weeks, but it really depends on how and when you file. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.